It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
If you're looking for a range of activities to satisfy visitors of all ages and inclinations, Spokane, Washington is the place to go. Spokane attracts a wide range of tourists since it serves as the downtown of an area that includes 3 US states, Washington, Idaho and Oregon, and 2 Canadian provinces, Alberta and British Columbia. Visitors come to Spokane in all 4 seasons for the vibrant selection of dining, shopping and entertainment options, as well as a slower pace to enjoy the tranquil outdoors. If you appreciate nature, Spokane is a great place to visit all year round, with plenty of hiking trails and parks, as well as winter sports like skiing and snowshoeing. Spokane will not disappoint families traveling with children, offering specialized children's museum as well as old-fashioned attractions such as antique carousels and fountains to cool down during the summer months. The 40-hectare Riverfront Park is the crown jewel of downtown Spokane. Get on Skyride for a 50-minute tour of the 2 Spokane Falls and the World's Fair era attractions. Visit the Vietnam Memorial to see the artworks, ride the carousel, and pay your respects. Don't forget to enjoy Riverside State Park in 9 Mile Falls, Washington's largest state park, where you may picnic on almost 5,700 hectares of land along the Spokane and Little Spokane rivers. Swim, camp, hike, fish, boat, ski and snowmobile. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Music aficionados will discover that this city caters to all interests, as you may attend a concert by the powerful Spokane Symphony or listen to live music at one of the bustling pubs in the city's downtown section. The 37.5-mile Centennial Trail is a must-see for anybody visiting Spokane who enjoys hiking. The path runs from the official state boundary to the famed 9 Mile Falls in Washington, passing through picturesque Spokane along the way. The route here surrounds Riverfront Park, but if you continue on out of town, it will take you into rural regions to the east and west of the city in both directions. Manito Park, a 90-acre swath of greenery in Spokane's South Hill neighborhood, is a year-round favorite among locals because of the variety of activities available. If you wish to unwind, then you can have a peaceful picnic on one of the numerous lawns or play sports in the community spaces, such as the baseball diamonds. The Spokane Falls are really a collection of spectacular waterfalls located in the heart of the Spokane downtown area, making them an unexpected draw. The falls are divided into 2 sections, the upper falls and the lower falls, each of which have their own dams that provide energy to the city. The dams were built in 1890, making them historical landmarks, and the region is now safeguarded by the city so that tourists may enjoy the rushing river for centuries to come.